I'm recording this unboxing so that I can document if there are any issues or anything like that. But the box come in pristine condition. It's in a really big box inside of a bigger box or a smaller box. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. Will I get what everyone else gets on YouTube, or what? I don't know. I don't know. It wasn't packed very well inside the box. So I don't think so. I didn't put enough of that in there, I know that. But, no damage to the box. So, let's get in here and get it out of here. And get it up on the table. And get it out of this other box. I'm going to put my phone down and get it out.